This video will teach you how to install our S3i touch panel controllers. To get started, you'll need the following items: S3i touch panel, S3i wireless receiver, static LED ribbon or neon, power supply, 24-volt power supply, screwdriver, wire nuts. Before you start any electrical work, be sure to turn the power off at the circuit breaker. Connect your ribbon to the S3i wireless receiver by connecting the corresponding ribbon to the corresponding terminal. Then, connect the wireless receiver to your power supply by connecting the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal, and then connect the power supply to a 120-volt AC line. Install the controller by detaching the panel from the box. You can use a screwdriver to pop apart the two pieces by using the notch at the bottom. You also have to wire the control panel itself by connecting a 24-volt power supply to the touch panel, connecting the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal. The backside slides into the wall in place of your standard light switch. Reassemble the controller and prepare to pair the controller to the LEDs. Once everything is back together, turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. To operate the touch panel, first you need to pair it. Pairing is simple. Just click the learning key on the wireless receiver and select your zone. Please see the control spec sheets for further instruction on how to operate the LEDs.